How to fix promotion cannot be redeemed in Shopee. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's jump right into this video. There might be a couple of reasons why you are facing such issue of your promotion code not being redeemed. Starting off with the first reason, check for your promo code. Make sure that it is not expired yet. Also ensure that you have entered the promo code correctly. Now, once you have rest assured of it, check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting super slow, you can go ahead and switch it to a cellular data, or if you are connected to a VPN, make sure that you have disabled it. For the third cause, check for the item that you are purchasing and entering the promo code. Make sure that the item actually accepts the promo code that you have input. Now, sometimes the store does not allow the promo code from any other website rather than Shopee or a valid one itself. Make sure that your promo code is valid and is accepted by the shop from which you want to purchase an item. Once you have assured of all of this, your problem of your promo code not being redeemed will be solved. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.